If YouTube keeps forcing you to switch to youtube.com on your Android device, don't worry. There are two quick fixes that almost always solve the problem. And in the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through both of them step by step so you can get YouTube working normally again. Let's jump straight in. The first method is the fastest. Open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap apps. Look for the YouTube app and open it. At the top right corner, you'll see three dots. Tap them and choose uninstall updates. When the pop-up asks if you want to replace the app with the factory version, just hit OK. This removes any broken or incompatible update that caused the redirect issue. Now reopen YouTube and you should notice it working smoothly again without forcing you to switch to the website. If the issue is still there, here's the second method. Go back to settings, scroll down, and tap about phone. Check your Android version. Maybe it's Android 9, 10, 11, or anything else. Now open the Google app and search for YouTube APK Android your version. For example, if you're on Android 11, just type YouTube APK Android 11. Look for a trusted source like Up to Down, download the matching version of the YouTube app, and install it. After installation, open the app again, and this time it should work perfectly. With these two methods, you can easily fix the switch to youtube.com problem on almost any Android device. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful tech fixes. Thanks for watching.